building in Madrid. B for Bahar. I guess they're both here. Very odd. But this one has an actual working chime, so I want to ride the one with the actual chime. I'm like pretty sure this is an Express. Formerly. Now they're modded by Devega. Love that bell. All right, let's go up to 5. We're gonna send it up to 6. We'll call it back down to 5 because is there a safety ray? No. I want to get a shot of those buttons, or of the back side of the buttons. This is at that place. I can't really read that handwriting. Something Jacometrezo 15. Oh, quickly. Does this not have? I swear this had like an MP thing. That might have just been the indicator in the lobby. Oh, and this one actually has a working lantern. And I don't know what it's doing. They sort of seem to glitch out. Strange. Anyway, that's it.